special guest. Please welcome British Guy!
Woo!
So, what are we going to be making today?
Sparrow's nest pie. First, take the sparrow's nest and put them on the plate.
Okay! Poor little birdie.
Then take the fraud sparrow's eggs and put them in the nest. And that's it. Now eat.
It's good. That one was mine.
Oops.
So sad. Well, that's the end of today's Sunny Chef Show.